Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. Today, I have a fragrance from Pendora Scents. But before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices. Whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, an automobile, maybe you're watching me right now, watching a few episodes of that strange addiction, maybe the 600-pound life, watching that guy eat his 8th bowl of raviolis. However, wherever you watch me, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. Now, Pendora Scents, I believe that is a Paris corner kind of, I think it's part of the Paris corner in whole, and then this is a part of that brand pretty much. So Pendora Scents, they've made a few fragrances. I think maybe I did one a long time ago, and I think it was a clone of Allure Homme. You know, that was a long time ago, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, but I got one sitting in front of me. Now, today being Sunday, today is church day. You know, honestly, whenever I think of church, I think of either a barbershop-y fragrance, fresh and spicy, a fougere, if you will, just a nice aromatic fragrance. When you think of that, that's what I think of when you go into church. Put on some nice clothes. Well, I'm in a black shirt, so I don't know if that's considered nice clothes, but you put on some nice clothes, you spray some, you smell presentable, you just smell good, you smell like you are meant to be there, you just smell great, okay? And when you think of Chanel Egoiste, okay, there's pretty much one fragrance that usually comes to mind as far as the clones, okay? And that is this bad boy right here, this Legesi, okay? Smells very good, fresh, spicy, slightly citrusy, green, herby, earthy, whatever the hell you want to call it. Very good fragrance. Honestly, smells good. Old school, smells excellent. But this is my favorite from Armand, the Boa Cute. You know, especially as far as like these type of scents, like the scents like this, scent like Legesi, okay, they're kind of like fresh, spicy, citrusy, fougères, aromatics. But when it came to Legesi, that was pretty much the go-to as far as the Chanel Platinum Egoiste. That is until then Pendora Scents. This one is called Designation Platina, okay, Platina. So Pendora Scents, again, there's Paris Corner right on the back. So I think Paris Corner makes all this, and then Pendora Scents is just part of that brand, if you will. Like Latafa has all those other ones as well. So here we go. And take a look at this bottle. Box was just okay, you know, nothing to write home about. But there you go. There's that Platinum Chanel Egoiste cologne, if you will, the Pendora Scents Designation Platina. Okay, so there is that pretty decent looking fragrance bottle. I mean, it's, you know, if you guys know, the Platinum Egoiste is kind of a basic bottle. It's nothing, you know, too crazy or nothing too fancy, but this one is just right up that alley. Okay, so basic, nice and simple, clean, elegant, but it's all about that spray. Okay, now again, I can't give you if this is close to the real deal. I can't say if this is better than like, does it get closer than Legesi? Because some of you guys say it's not even close. Some of you guys say it's only good for a ride on. You guys say it's good for an opening. But honestly, man, as long as it smells good, okay, we know what this is cloning. So as long as it smells good, we know it's, you know, it's good enough. So here we go. I'm gonna spray it over here, see what it's all about. Nothing working on the right. Here we go. 3 sprays, okay? So maybe this thing kind of jogged around a little. Definitely that aromatic, old school, fresh and spicy fragrance in the air. Definitely lingers in the air. Definitely gives you that old school vibe that, you know, put some of that Barbasol on, maybe you put some of that Brut on, kind of gives you that kind of scent in the air. Okay, but let's get closer. Now, honestly, when it comes to these type of fragrances, I really like just smelling what you get in there, because again, it's really citrusy, it's bright, it's fresh, it's green, it's herby, okay? It's very nice on the skin. Don't get me wrong. It smells excellent, you guys. But where the magic happens with a fragrance like this is in the air. Okay, you guys all know that. This is the part that everyone is going to smell for a gazillionth time that I've mentioned that in these videos. Again, fresh, spicy, and citrusy. Now, when I say spicy, not like, cardamom spicy or, cumin or anything like that. Not like that. This is more of a fresh herbal spice. Okay, you guys know, do we even call those spice herbs? Okay, so fresh and herbal, citrusy, woody. Honestly, you smell it in the air, you smell it in the hand. If you like the old schools, maybe you are a younger guy and you start to delve into the old school fragrances. This one is kind of it's old school. It's from a mature man, but to me it doesn't smell too old manish. It doesn't smell like Ben Gay or anything like that. It doesn't smell like some muscle rub. It smells very good. Now, you might think of an old man when you wear this, but again, if you're a younger guy and you just want to try something old school, definitely give this one a shot because, again, citrusy, fresh, herbal, green, woody. Very nice fragrance. Yep, nice and green. Definitely green blast, citrusy, fresh. Let's spray this one on the other side, this Legesi, and see if there's a difference, okay? Now, that's the thing with this one. You kind of had to smell this, kind of get plenty of other views of this fragrance to see that it was a clone of Platinum Chanel Egoiste. But at least that one just says, hey, this is actually what I am. But let's see what this one is. I haven't worn this in a while. I would say in the air, this one comes off more citrusy. This one kind of comes off more of the green herbal, okay? Green herbal, a little bit more citrusy over here. Definitely very similar, okay? Let's get closer to it. I think Pendora Scents was a little bit louder though, okay? This Arm Off didn't seem as loud, but, doesn't matter. As long as it smells good here. This one is definitely, I would say from the opening, this one smells more pleasurable, okay, more pleasant. This one, again, you guys know, go off the scent, the smell that you get in the air, okay, because when you smell it close, you get these woody scents, these, the citrus, some green in here, but I think this one smells a little bit more polished. Now, again, I'm not one of those people that be like, ooh, it's synthetic, it's a little bit, kind of, it's chemically and stuff like that. This one smells a little chemically, synthetic, fake. This one smells a little bit better, more polished, I think, in my opinion. Now, this one seems a little brighter, okay, more brighter, citrusy. Again, this one is more of that green, that earthy, that herby smell, okay? This one, but they're both very similar. This one, the citrus kind of takes a little seat in the background. This one, the citrus is more noticeable, the wood and stuff like that. This more green and citrus. So, see what the wife thinks real quick. Babe, can you come and make a decision real quick? Again, one just says, I'm cloning Platinum Egoiste with the designation, the bottle, everything looks just like it. Legesi, you kind of have to delve into it a little bit more just to see what it's all about. But she likes the fresh herbals. I'll let you smell it off the bottle, maybe.
It actually smells a lot better in the air.
Exactly what I've been telling you guys. In the air is what most people will smell. Yeah, don't just kind of run off just because you smell it off the bottle and you're like, ugh, it stinks. Go off of spraying it in the air first, okay?
That one smells a lot better.
So she picked this one. I think this one smells a little bit better too. Now I'll give her one more smell on the skin.
Okay.
It's bright.
Those are two very different fragrances. I like them both because they both smell way different on the skin than they do in the air. This one I don't smell in the air. I like that one. That one's different.
She likes that one.
Kind
That
of
is
a-
the Pendora scents one. Now again, you know what? I'm gonna do one more thing real quick just to see
like
what she likes more.
That one's kind of a darker, spicier, lighter fragrance. If that
And
makes
this one
sense.
kind of comes off more citrusy,
Bright.
bright, fresh. This one is kind of toned back a little bit more polished, in my opinion. More, everything's
like
integrated
a
nicely.
darker, bright fragrance.
But let me do one quick spray in the air real quick. This is the Pendora scents. I'm gonna spray it away from you guys. See if she gets a little whiff of that.
Oh, so it's over here. Okay, so that's the one I'm smelling in the air. That one I don't smell in the air at all.
Yeah, this one I don't think is loud, but I'm gonna spray it over here just a little bit just to see if she gets something. This is way in a different direction. And the sprayer on Egoiste is a little bit better, okay? So
Yeah, that doesn't smell like how it smells on your skin in the air. It smells very bright.
bright, green, woody. This one, again, I feel is a little bit more polished. I think it's more, everything is incorporated nicely. This one kind of comes off citrusy and bright first right away. This one kind of gives you that green, that
This one
herby,
smells bright
that
on the
citrus,
skin.
aromatic. Would you like this one better?
I like that one, but this one's just different. It smells like it has like something herby and bright. I don't know. I like that one on the skin. Not in the
So here's the thing. Although they are both trying to clone the same exact thing, this is what people think when they smell this one. They think it's the exact thing. This one just basically says what I'm trying to clone. So this one, there's no guessing work in it. This one's a little bit more bright, a little bit more citrusy. Then you get the herbs. This one is just all around. Everything is going for it right away. So you don't get that super bright citrus right away. You don't get all that green right away. It's all kind of incorporated nicely. This one kind of got levels to it. Okay, citrusy, green. This one kind of just all around, just right to the point. So which one did you like better on this? We'll do one more skin.
No, this one just smells exactly how it is. It is just this one I like on the skin. Yeah.
So, but in the air, you liked this one better, right?
Nope. I like this one in the
So in the air, she liked this one better. In the skin, she liked that one better. So there you guys go. You know, now there's no confusion. If you see both of those out in the wild in the stores, you're not going to see those at, Dillard's or anything like that because they don't carry arm offs. But if you see any of those in the discounter world, go out there and grab the Pendora scents version. I think it smells a little bit better too. Again, both of them are pretty good. Again, they're going to smell different, obviously, when you get outdoors, different elements. Body starts working a little bit more with it. But me personally, in the air, I think the Pendora scent smells just a little bit better. So now, if I describe that in a way that the real deal smells like, the real Chanel Platinum Egoiste, a little bit more rounded, more well-rounded, okay? This one, again, bright, citrusy, fresh, crisp, right off the back. I'm pretty sure later it'll start dying down to what this is right from the get-go. This one starts just like that right from the get-go, and it's kind of just, again, green, fresh, herby. This one's still bright, citrusy. But there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. The dog is bumping the camera out the way with his ass. But I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.